An image is being circulated by Pakistan, claiming that Pakistan destroyed the S-400 radar in India, which is actually an image of oil stains at a vehicle service yard at the Bhuj military base, and the image predates the recent Indo-Pakistan conflict, as it was taken in February 2025. A delegation from Pakistan Air Force will visit Turkey next week, seeking replacement of 2 next-generation mobile mission control centers, both of which were destroyed in missile strikes by Indian Air Force. After the failure of previously supplied Chinese weapon platforms, China has offered to supply Pakistan Air Force with 40 J-35 stealth fighter jets, KJ-500 AWACS aircraft, and the HQ-19 air defense system, and China has assured Pakistan that the HQ-19 is designed to counter ballistic missiles, cruise missiles and fighter jets. Desperate officials of Pakistan's Ministry of Water Resources have written 4 letters to India, pleading the Indian government to reconsider its decision of suspending the Indus Waters Treaty. An Indian Air Force Apache attack helicopter made a precautionary landing during a routine training sortie near Saharanpur yesterday, and the helicopter returned to the airbase after sorting out the technical issue. 194 Agniveers have been inducted into the Ladakh Scouts Regiment after the passing out parade in Leh yesterday. The Canadian Prime Minister Mark Carney has invited Prime Minister Modi to the G7 summit on 15th June. The Indian Navy will commission INS Arnala, the first of 16 advanced anti-submarine warfare shallow water craft, on 18th June. Bangladesh's interim government has announced that Bangladesh's next national election will be held in the first half of April 2026. The Zorawar tank development trials are over, and user trials by the Indian Army will begin in August 2025, with induction to start from 2027 onwards. The DRDO is gearing up to conduct the firing test of the 350 km range Astra Mk3 air-to-air missile very soon, also known as the Gundev missile. French officials have said that a targeted disinformation operation has been launched against the Rafale fighter jet, and fake news and videos are being circulated to harm its reputation, with actors from China and Pakistan actively involved in the campaign. Following a landmark partnership between France's Dassault Aviation and TAR Advanced Systems to manufacture Rafale fuselages in Hyderabad for both Indian and export markets, officials have said that up to 60% of the manufacturing value of the Rafale fighter jet might shift to India, including the Indian Navy order for 26 Rafale marine fighters. The DRDO is preparing to test a hypersonic cruise missile as part of its Project End-to-End test of long-duration hypersonic cruise missile, as latest tender documents provide a glimpse into the meticulous preparations underway for this advanced missile system. The DRDO is in the advanced stages of preparing for a test of the hypersonic cruise missile that promises speeds exceeding Mach 6 and the ability to maneuver at low altitudes. Brahmos Aerospace is set to push the boundaries of Brahmos missile technology with a tweaked ramjet engine that will increase the speed of the missile from existing Mach 3 to over Mach 4.5. The ground trials of the enhanced ramjet engine is currently underway, with initial tests focused on validating performance parameters under controlled conditions, after which it will be integrated into actual Brahmos missiles for flight trials. The tweaked ramjet engine will deliver greater thrust and efficiency, enabling the missile to cover its operational range faster, and further reduce the reaction time available to enemy defenses. Today's top 3 comments.